Yeah, so let's see. I think I'm recording some parts of my screen, and this is some live trading. Perhaps I should have started it at the open, but I didn't. Now it's what is it? 10 minutes past open, and yesterday I traded Chewy. I'm not sure. CHWY on earnings. Pretty good numbers. You have the numbers here. So 300% EPS growth, and I think that's diluted numbers. Sorry, and 2%
Order cancelled.
only rev growth. Now something
Order
sold.
filled.
Okay, so half my Opera here is now it's moving. Oh, you can't see that. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's move this. Okay, you can't see that part. Maybe I can do it a bit smaller. Let's do it like this. Let's see where the screen ends somewhere. Okay, so that's pretty much it, I think. It looks a bit messy, but that's how my screen is. I have a larger screen, so it's not as messy for me. But now you see more or less everything. Actually, this is kind of annoying. Okay, I lost my train of thought. No, I don't like that. This is messing up my screen. So, perhaps, okay, perhaps I can do. Okay, I do like this. So my screens are so these are getting a bit messy. Let me see if I can. Okay, so now you see at least part of my screener. So these are. Everything got messed up now. So these are. Okay, so what you see here, these are my positions that are not safe. Actually, this one just became already was safe, and now it's moved. Already. Okay, I'm getting confused. This already sold. Now it's really picking up speed. So let's see. Sold half, and then now I need to move back a new stop because okay, so whenever that's kind of annoying. So now I put on a new stop, just above break even, so a bit above 1563, actually a bit higher because the cost, I include the cost, so this is my buy point, but the cost is actually a bit higher if I include that. So when I have some room, I move it above, including the cost, and a bit, maybe a few cents above that as well. So I also can include the cost of selling. So, but it depends if I feel like that's going to be too close, then I actually might just move it to just above my buy point, excluding costs. It's a feel because I don't want to be stopped out, so I have to balance those things. So let's see now. I'm not going to talk too much because it's going to slow me down. So I just wanted to see how the cues are moving. It did come down then up. So I'm expecting maybe some more pullback. I mean, it's still not even close to 10 or 9, which is my orange here. It did move to the 5 and then kind of stop at that. That's pretty strong, but I actually think it would be, what's the English word? Yeah, okay, let's use simple words. It would be actually pretty good if it could come down a bit and stabilize there. Found maybe retest something, maybe either an MA or maybe this inner channel part. I have two channels here. So maybe test that would be real nice. Maybe undercut that and maybe come down. So I'm thinking maybe if it comes up here, it could actually come down further. So let's say it's coming up. Not that. Okay, this is the hourly. Let's move it a bit closer. Yeah, I'm thinking it did come up there, right? Twice. I'm thinking it might fade some more actually. So that means maybe I should, if something is weak, yes, SMCI started strong, but it's kind of fading here. Actually, it did move 3.5% from there. Probably people sold at 230, which is also, is that the yesterday high? No, maybe it's a low. Yeah, it's kind of close to the low. I mean, there's some levels here. There's also this one here. So you can see 4 days ago, that's the top, and then it became the bottom. Now we're below that. And like recent levels are very important. Most important being yesterday's high and low, right? And I don't know. I think I really want to buy Nvidia, but I want to be patient. Also want to buy Nvidia with like mini futures, like kind of warrants. Like it's just a leverage. It's a Swedish European style of kind of option. So you can usually it's a leverage of 3 or 5 in stocks, 2, 3 or 5. I usually do 3 or 5 if I can do a short-term trade for like a few days with a smaller position then. And I recalculated with leverage, so it's going to be the same as my normal position, just so say it's 5x leverage, and it's going to be 1/5 of a full-size position. So actually that kind of means I'm using margin in a way. But that sometimes that's fine. I feel it's not necessarily margin unless I'm using my full account though. So if I'm already 100% invested or close to 100%, and then I put on a position, I might be more than 100% invested actually if I do the leverage thing. Even though the risk is still the same because I calculate backwards from risk. So anyhow, yeah, I was thinking this was gonna fade. We came out at 390, been a level here for a while. You see over here, I have some sellers there in this area here. Oh, I should move this so I can do a box. Where's the box? Oh, it's below here. Let's do this. Oh, maybe. Okay, I need to do that. Okay, so if we go across here, I mean, I wanted to come around here, find some support, sellers be done. It's a duration thing as well, and then pick up speed like for fish hook kind of trade. And actually, it's kind of already doing that. If it's going already now, it's super strong. Then I think SMCI will go as well. Let me see the look. It's kind of similar. I mean, it's really in the upper channel here. But probably so is Nvidia, right? Let's see if we would do something like that. That's kind of steep. It's not really connecting that one. So let's go. Okay, it's not gonna connect that one. Something like that. It's not perfect. It came down a bit more. As you see, so there's a battle going on there. Yeah, this didn't come down as much, but it's not as the PE. I think. What does it say? Let's move that here. So the PE is not 9.5. It's around 20. I think Finwiz is much better than TC2000.
Order cancelled.
I got stopped out. Okay, that's fine. Okay, let's go to sold on that. No, sold today. I need to fill in my Excel spread, my Google Drive spreadsheet. I'm gonna move that over here and delete it from that. It's gonna be in this today. I might miss it. So let's see. So that one came up through 30. Where did it go? Is there a level here? Yeah, there's something. I mean, yeah, that's a pretty good. It's like there's some price here. So that was pretty nice. And let's see if that can hold on all the way on 9 here. I think it'll depend on what the market is gonna do. Carvana is picking up. Maybe you can't see that. No, you can't see that list. Okay. So I have my pimp list and Carvana is on my pimp list. And it's also on my Darvas list. So I should have seen that before. Oh, it's over 12% up. I can't buy that. Damn. So, did I get a... I didn't have an alert. So alerts today, there's very many. Google alerted, Magnite alerted, still below that. PDSB, yeah, I should have traded that over here. It's too late at the moment. Opera, I have that sold half, right? Moved up stops and breaking. MDB came down. Interesting. It's bouncing on the 9. I like that. I didn't trade it yesterday because I didn't like the way the market moved and all I wanted to trade. Oh, Nvidia. Hello. Okay, I want to see what SM. Let's move that back so I have easier access to it. Nvidia. Yeah, that looks really strong. Okay, I'm gonna buy. I might be buying that. Let's see. How the Qs are looking. PLTR looks pretty nice. Confluent looks nice. Do I have that? Yeah. Okay, it did come down and bounce there. On the hourly on the 20. 1, and that's nice. It's also a level. Let's see what that is doing. Okay, this one is weaker. Yeah, maybe it's gonna pull back and retest 30. Come down below that. Where is it, that trade? Okay, it's very close to my stop. That's fine. But I have a break-even stop and I sold half already, so that's fine. one's going sideways, starting to surf the 20 and the 9. And it's doing kind of like a crossback into that. The 9 is coming into the 20. That could mean a really nice breakout could happen here, but of course it can also break down. I think this one is Darva's list as well. My trade is from 40 something, 0.1, and I sold half somewhere after probably here somewhere, and probably already day one, as it moved so much. Let's see, on I have a, yeah, I don't like that move. I have a position from here, but I think it's kind of looking weak. But what I do like is that within the channel, and we also like, this is the gap up. We did bounce on the gap low. I think that's correct term, as you can see here. So I like that, and it's testing the 9. If you can build here sideways and push up above, I like to be in it, and I'm not. I think I'm safe in it. Oh no, it's on the other account. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it's safe, and it's already actually more than safe in this position, because I got it so tight. But actually, I tried it before, so in total, for the last, like the whole here, I think I'm pretty much. I'm back on this one for sure. I tried several times in here, and I also bought it somewhere around here, but I lost on many small cuts on this one. Also, I think a larger one on a drop, and I don't know, maybe the first day. Let's see. So Oprah is actually continuing. I think is Oprah in Darva's? Let's see. Oprah. Do I have the Darva's list? Oh, it's not in that. Okay. Probably should be. It's not. Oh, no, it's not. Okay. It was in my ants list at least. Oh, you can't see that. Okay. Oh, I missed this. It was probably in my alerts. Nvidia, Riot, might work. What else was in my alerts? What was the first? That's always interesting. So Carg first was. Oh, this was actually before. That was yesterday. Carg Gurus was first. I was wrongly placed. I should have removed that. That was the first, and video was the first then. Okay, so that's really good. Okay, let's find the video. I should have traded it already. Let's see. So I'm going with the. Let's do the 74. It's only almost 3x. Okay. Can I buy that? Yeah, it looks like I can. Okay, so let's go. Oh fuck. So that's. What did I do with this? Yeah, so I bought some. Actually, This is a new buy. I buy it really high. I'm talking so much. I think it's fine. ADR 3.3, and today we are way off. We are past that. Okay, that's not great. But I think I'm not sure that I should have bought it earlier. Should have bought it here. I think actually it did do a flag here, but I'd rather buy it like opening 5 minutes opening range. Here 388.17 would have been good. I should have prepared the order there actually with a real tight stop. Because this is unnecessary. It's 1%, but it's just unnecessary. So I'm actually gonna have my manual stop here. So I have alert here, but I will take it there because this one's leveraged, and so I don't want to then I'd rather re-enter and take the spread cost, or not re-enter at all, doesn't matter. But I want to be in NVIDIA, so I'm scaling into this. Didn't do my normal calculation because it's the leverage thing, so I took similar to my last order, which not the whole, but half of my last order, which I did calculate just a few days ago. So I know this was fine because I did the same. It's like same amount but half of it, and so I didn't have to do the calculation for the certificate, which is more. It takes a while to do it, and I'm a bit tired at the moment. I don't want to do it, but I did mark the buy point kind of here. So let's see. So I probably should have rebought that. So maybe actually I will only buy it above there, 232, and so I already lost. Yes, I'm gonna do a stop order on that one, buy stop, and I'm gonna do 232 on 232, and I'm gonna do half of day. I'm gonna go to 24.4 for stop on that, and I have someone's calling me. Oh, okay, so I'm gonna pause this and answer.